Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare curry leaf chutney, which is best for a healthy hair. In a mixer, add 1 large cup of fresh curry leaves. Let's know the benefits of curry leaves. Curry leaves can stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. They prevent early onset of cataract because curry leaves are rich in vitamin A. Curry leaves reduce blood glucose levels as they protect the insulin producing cells of pancreas. Just add 14 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 green chilli as per your taste, little tamarind, little water, salt to taste. Grind it into a fine paste. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil, mustard seeds, few curry leaves, jeera seeds. Slowly add the grinded paste into it. Be careful while adding the curry leaf paste. Mix them. Gradually, the curry leaf starts to change its color. Once it becomes thick without any water, add little more gingerly oil so that it tastes good while eating it with the rice. Our healthy curry leaf chutney is ready. It looks really very yummy and even tastes perfect with dal rice, dosa and even a plain rice. Instead of preparing a routine coconut chutney, tomato chutney, you can try this kind of healthy chutney recipes too. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.